Okay, an internet company offering money exchange displays a conversion exchange table as shown below. The method of using this table of exchanges is as follows. To exchange GB pounds to euros, read down the table. So £1 is 1.1116 euros. Using the exchange rates from the table, calculate the following. Exchange 200 US dollars to Australian dollars. Okay, so US dollars. Okay, let's have a look. $1 US. $1 US is worth how many Australian dollars? So we read down from here. $1 US is worth 1.09137 Australian dollar. Okay, so to get 200, we need to multiply 200. We need to multiply this by 200 because for each dollar you get 1.09137 US Australian dollars. So times that by 200 and you get your answer. So we get 218.27 Australian dollars. How many Canadian dollars were exchanged to give $250? Okay. Sorry, 250 euros. Now we know one Canadian dollar is worth 0.6175. So what we need to do now to change back to Canadian dollars, we need to see how many of these are in 250 euros. Okay, so one Canadian dollar is worth this amount of euros, so we need to see how many are in here. So change it back, we need to divide let's get this right. We get 369.73 Canadian dollars. Okay, part B then, fill in the two gaps, indicated with dotted lines in the following conversion exchange table. Okay, so we need to fill in this here. What do we have here? Hong Kong dollar. $1 obviously is worth $1, then that obviously corresponds there. $1 is worth that amount of euros. Okay, so we need to work out what Japanese yen is worth here, and you've got €1 here is worth, so let's write some of this down. So we've got €1 is worth 133.5 yen, so we know that. We also know that $1 one Hong Kong dollar is worth 0.090147 euros. So let's see if we can do some conversions here then to work out what 1 yen is in terms of dollars, in terms of euros. Well, if we've got here €1 is worth 133.5 yen, we can work out what 1 yen is. Okay, so that's the first step. €1 is 133.5 yen. So to work out what 1 yen is, of course we need to make this smaller. We need to divide by 133, so scaling it down. Okay, so you get 1 yen, but of course then if you're making this smaller, dividing it by 133.5, you need to do the same here. So you got 1 divided by my calculator, 133.5. So we get this here, not very nice. So 1 yen would be worth 0.0074906 euros. Okay, so that's what we put here. Sorted. Now we need to work out what 1 euro is worth in Hong Kong dollars. Well, we know that this amount of euros is worth $1. So to get what 1 euro is, okay, we need to think maybe of multiplying this up. The other way of doing this is just to think about taking that over the other side. So we'd have 1 then divide by 0.090147. Just take it over, so you're left with 1 euro there. That's the other way of doing that. So we'll work that out. You get 1 euro then to be 11.09299. Okay, Hong Kong dollars. So we can fill that in there. And you've got your answer. Not a particularly nice question, but it's all about looking at how they can be scaled and so on to get the mark.